Good morning, you all, my dear children. I am going to teach you about the catalysis. That is the chapter Surface Chemistry of chapter 5 for class 12th. What is catalysis and what is catalyst? You know that in various reactions, some of the chemical compounds are used to increase or decrease the rate of reaction. Means there are some chemical compounds which either increase or decrease the rate of reaction. These chemical compounds are called catalyst and the phenomenon is called catalysis. Like here in this reaction, this one is potassium chloride. If potassium chloride is heated, it forms potassium chloride and oxygen gas. If this process is very slow, if we add a small amount of MnO2, magnesium dioxide, then the rate of reaction increases. Means this MnO2 acts as catalyst and the property of altering the rate of reaction is called catalysis. You keep in mind, catalyst may increase or decrease the rate of reaction. Hence we use the term the compound which alters the rate of reaction. Not you can use the compound which increase the rate of reaction. Okay? Means catalyst can increase or decrease the rate of reaction. In most of the cases, catalyst increases the rate of reaction, but there are few cases in which catalyst decreases also. For example, this one. Catalysis is of two main types. First one is homogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous catalysis. What is this homogeneous catalysis? If the physical state of catalyst and reactants both are same, then it is called homogeneous catalysis. For example, see here, like this one is gas, these reactants are also gas, catalyst is also gas. Product may be gas or in any case, it does not matter. Here, the physical states of reactants and catalyst must be same. If they are liquids, it must be liquid. If they are solids, it must be solid. If they are gas, they must be gas. Okay? This is called homogeneous catalysis. Second one is heterogeneous catalysis. What is heterogeneous catalysis? When opposite to this, when the physical state of catalyst and reactants are different. See here, this is same type of reaction, but here the catalyst is different. Like this. This one is gas, this one is gas, but here it is solid. If the physical state of reactants and catalyst are different, then it is called heterogeneous catalysis. Okay? What is the difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous? In homogeneous catalysis, the physical state of reactants and catalyst are same. In heterogeneous catalysis, the physical state of reactants and catalyst are different. This is heterogeneous, this is homogeneous. Next topic I am going to discuss about this is catalytic promoter and catalytic inhibitor. In this chapter, catalytic promoter and catalytic inhibitor. As the name indicates, promoter means that compound which increases and inhibitor means that compound which decreases. What decrease? The compound which increases the activity of catalyst. Okay, the compound which increases the activity of catalyst is called catalytic promoter, and the compound which decreases the activity of catalyst is called catalytic inhibitor. Okay, promoter and inhibitor. See here, by taking an example, it is clear. In Haber's process, Haber's process is the process used for manufacture of ammonia. This one is Haber's process. In Haber's process, iron acts as catalyst and molybdenum acts as promoter. Means nitrogen hydrogen reacts to form ammonia. In this process, iron acts as catalyst. Iron increases the rate of reaction and molybdenum increases the activity of iron. Means molybdenum acts as promoter, which increases the activity of iron. Molybdenum does not affect the rate of reaction, it increases the activity of iron. This is promoter. Here in this reaction, in this example, the platinum acts as catalyst. This one, platinum acts as catalyst, which increases the reaction of hydrogen and oxygen to form water. But here, if arsenic is present, it inhibits, inhibitor. Arsenic is inhibitor. Arsenic prevents, breaks, stops the activity of platinum. Means arsenic acts as inhibitor. It does not affect the rate of reaction. It affects only activity of platinum. This is the inhibitor. Okay. This is about the promoter and inhibitor. In my next lecture, I will discuss about some other topics. Okay. Thank you.